Good morning, dear students. Today I'm going to discuss book exercise of chapter The Boy Who Borrowed. And as you know that I have told you to complete this worksheet. Many of the students they have completed this worksheet, but I'm going to share the right answer of this worksheet to all of you. Now, first question is Benny completed reading a book in dash day. So Benny take half a day to complete a book. Next is Benny got books only dash time. So Benny got books only and only at the Christmas time. I have shared with all of you. Next is Benny had a habit of, you are very familiar that he had a habit of reading books and the borrowing things and not returning them back. So here we can write here, right answer is borrowing things. When the children asked to their books back, Benny returned them back? No. Avoided them? No. Pretended that he had not got them. He always pretend that he had not taken any of the book or anything from his friends. So I always pretended. This is the right answer. All the borrowed books wanted to. You know very well that the books they wanted to return to their owners. So its right answer is return to their owners. Next is funny dream that Benny narrated to his mother was, you know that when he went down for the breakfast, he narrated the dream related to the books, and that dream was books walking down the stairs and running away. So its right answer is books walking down stairs and running away. Books made Benny feel ashamed, and so he what did he do after feeling ashamed? He returned all the borrowed things to his friends. Benny promised to borrow books only. Benny took a pledge that he will only and only borrow the books when he will return them quickly. So his right answer is only if he returned them quickly. So next is, here are B5 questions. Okay, so I will discuss the question answer later. Also again life skill question and value based question. So let us discuss next worksheet B8 of the reader book again. Here you can see the question is created a false impression. So first of all we have to check the question. Question is in past tense, created. Second form of the verb create, created, created. So we have to write the answer also in second form. Pretend. Its right answer would be pretend. But again I have told you that question is asked in past tense. So we have to write here pretended. Pretended. Its right answer would be pretended. Next is angry. So I have discussed to all of you that the angry means cross. CROSS. Cross having two meaning. One, whenever we go to cross the road, then it is also called as cross, and this is also cross means angry, to cross the limit. When we get angry, we cross all the limits. Okay, so here cross means angry. So strange means peculiar. PECULIAR, peculiar. Okay, next is horrible. So horrible, dear students, just check the pronunciation of this word. It is not horrible, it's horrible. Here H is silent. Horrible. So we have right here horrid. 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 Hurry in a disorderly manner. So you can see here in this page, on this page you can see that the books are in hurry and they are moving in disorderly manner. Someone is moving here, someone here, someone here, someone here, someone here, someone here. They are not in proper order. Okay, so first one is hurry. Hurry means halter. Okay, and disorderly manner means skelter. Okay, so its right answer would be helter skelter. HELTER, helter. You can see here the word helter skelter. I have underlined this word helter skelter. So helter means hurriedly and skelter means in disorder manner. When we move when we move hurriedly, then whatever we do, we always move in disordered manner. So you can see here the books, they are moving hurriedly and they all are moving in disordered manner. So here the right answer would be helter and skelter. So the spelling of helter, H-E-L, hell, T-E-R, ter, skelter, S-K-E-L, skel, T-E-R, skelter. Next one is strange and odd. Strange and odd means queer. Okay, Q-U-E-E-R. Okay, strange and odd means queer, Q-U-E-E-R. Here you can see the meaning of strange. There are one meaning of strange is peculiar and other meaning of strange or odd is queer. Okay, so these all the words peculiar, queer, odd, strange, they all are synonyms. Okay, you can say that these all words, they are synonym. Peculiar, queer, odd and strange, all these words, they are synonyms. So thank you and have a nice day to all of you. Kindly complete this worksheet, and after that I will also discuss the question answer of the same chapter. So for today, this all. Now thank you and have a nice day.